Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
So, how are you all?
We are fine, sir.
So, today is Saturday, or date is 10th April. So, guys, we are here to do discussion, and today is Saturday, and we are here to do discussion. Our topic name is intoxication. We all know that there are many types of intoxication available in the markets, like cheni, kheni, and gutka, cigarettes, liquor. So, this is very injurious for our health. So I want to take opinion of your advice. I want to take your opinion. So one by one you will have to share your points and please forget your mistakes. Today you can forget your mistakes. Okay. So first of all, who is ready to speak about this topic? This is very wonderful topic. So who is going to deliver a speech about intoxications?
Today I'm gonna deliver a speech about intoxication. So there are many types of intoxication available in the market, like drugs, tobacco, pills, injection, and alcohol. First of all, I want to say something about alcohol. So alcohol is available for enjoyment, and it is also called alcohol poisoning, and its effects are body temperature, breathing, heart rates, and gugs. It can also sometimes lead to coma or death. As we all know that as alcohol, most of violence are happening because of alcohol, and many people lost their life because of it. If government will not take action to stop alcohol, so that there is not far away when we will not have space in hospital take treatment because uses of alcohol. Now I want to say something about smoking intoxication. So any amount and any types of smoking is very dangerous for your health, and it smoking can damage almost any organ in our body, and because of smoking we get many types of disease like heart attack, lung cancer, and we can't breathe properly. Now I want to say something about drugs. So drugs is common today because that it has become a become worldwide problem, and it's fastly affect Indian boys and girls that studying in colleges and hostel. So I think government should ban all the intoxication things. So it was all about my topic. Thank you everyone for listening to me. I couldn't get you, sir. Could you please repeat?
Okay. I'm just saying you that how are you? What are you doing for improving your communication skills? आप क्या कर रहे हो improve करने के लिए? ये कह रहा हूँ मैं.
I'm doing practice every day, and I'm speaking front of mirror while walking.
What about my classes? Is this effective?
Yes, it's very effective for me.
So, what rating do you want to give 1 to 5 to our institutes? 1 to 5. What is the rating you want to give to our institutes? One is so. 2 is for good. 3rd is for excellent, and 4th is
I think
super excellent.
first.
And 5th is fantabulous.
Fantabulous,
Why?
because it's very unique academy, and it's very lucky academy for me because I speak fast and I'm become a fluent speaker because of this academy.
Okay. Are you Hindi medium student or English medium?
I'm Hindi medium student.
So, what about your dream? Is it going to be true?
Yes, because of English is going to be true.
Okay. So now you are very happy. Your dream is going to be true. Guys, many
Yes,
people
sir.
they have dream to speak English. So Kajol dream is going to be true. So are you reading English newspaper?
No, I'm not reading newspaper. I'm reading books
Okay.
in English.
Okay.
Yes.
So in which class are you studying?
I'm studying in 12th class.
Will you recommend your friends to join England Institute of English Language?
Yes, I will recommend my friends, and one boy came here,
Okay.
and
What is the name of that person? Ritik.
Harshit.
Harshit.
Yes.
So who is Harshit? Is your brother?
Yes, he's my brother.
Okay. So do you speak English with Harshit?
No, I will not speak English with
Why?
Harshit because because he will not, because he's not speak with me too much.
Okay, you can just guide him because you are
Okay.
improving.
So again, put your hands together for Satyam, guys.
Let's speak.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening, all of you.
Good evening.
First of all, I would like to give thanks to Ravi, sir, who has given me this opportunity. So thank you so much, sir.
Okay.
Now here I wanna discuss about a topic. The topic name is intoxication.
Okay.
Before starting my topic, I want to say that in market many types of intoxication available in the market, like
Okay.
बीड़ी, cigarette, gutka, tobacco, alcohol, drugs, pills, many more, sir. I wanna say something about gutka.
Okay.
Gutka is more harmful for our health.
Okay.
The doctor says that by chewing of gutka, the mixture directly enter in body system.
Okay.
So we can get the cancer of mouth,
Okay.
the cancer of throat, the lungs cancer, and many heart disease.
Very good.
Gutka is more harmful
For our teeth also.
for our teeth also, sir. Yes, gutka is more harmful than cigarette because by smoking only 20%
People are getting cancers and diseases.
yes, sir, only 20% tobacco enters the system, but by chewing gutka 100% sir tobacco.
Okay. He is saying that when we are smoking, then it is only 20% cigarette is going inside. Okay, but when we are chewing gutka, this is very harmful.
Yes, sir.
But
Now
for you, everything is harmful. Don't try to think about smoke. Now, if you are thinking that smoke is injecting us only, affecting us only 20%, so we can start it.
now I
Don't
want
start
to
anything.
tell something about alcohol.
Okay.
As we all know that alcohol is available only for enjoyment,
Okay.
but lower class people consuming alcohol
Without any limit.
without limit.
Okay.
So many lower class people are working only for liquor.
Okay.
They do work morning to evening,
Okay.
and at night they pay all amount at the wine shop.
Okay.
And this is corona time, and we are suffering from
Guys, put your hands
this
together for
pandemic.
Satyam. Now guys, how's the जोश? कितना सिंपल है बोलना टॉपिक में गाइस. बोलना तो शुरू करिए, अपनी गलती को छोड़ दीजिए आप लोग और बोलना शुरू करिए. इस मैदान में उतरिए, अपनी बेड़ियों को तोड़िए और बोलना शुरू करिए. थोड़ा मोड़ा बोलना स्टार्ट करेंगे तो कल को आप ज़्यादा बोल पाएंगे, लेकिन अगर आपने थोड़ा बहुत बोलना भी स्टार्ट नहीं किया तो कल को आप नहीं बोल पाओगे. याद करिए वो दिन जब आपने साइकिल चलाना सीखा था. आपके घुटने फूटे होंगे, लेकिन आपने साइकिल का हैंडल नहीं छोड़ा होगा. फिर आपने निकाली होगी साइकिल, फिर आपने चलाई होगी. उसी जोश जुनून से आपको सीखना है. आज आप गिर रहे हो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, कल को आप बोलोगे. सो अब गाइस कौन बोलने वाला है? हु इज़ नाउ टू स्पीक अबाउट इंटॉक्सिकेशंस? कौन है बोलने वाला गाइस? किसने अपनी बेड़ियाँ तोड़ी हुई है? यस, वेरी गुड. पुट योर हैंड्स टुगेदर. व्हाट इज योर नेम? अभिनव ने अपनी बेड़ियाँ तोड़ी. अभिनव के लिए गाइस क्लैप कर दीजिए गाइस. बाकी लोग अपनी बेड़ियाँ तोड़ने के लिए तैयार हो जाओ गाइस. सबको बोलना है थोड़ा बहुत. यस, अभिनव प्लीज स्टार्ट.
Good evening, sir. Good evening to all of you. Good evening. My name is Avinav. I put up at Bollywood in Fatehgarh. Today I am here to discuss a topic. My topic name is intoxication.
Okay.
Intoxication is the point at which central nervous system has changed. A person who consume liquor, so that person known as an intoxicated person.
Okay, very good.
Do you know more than 10 million cases in India per year?
Very good. 10 millions. Very good. 10 crore cases in India per year, per month,
Per year.
per year. Very large number. Okay.
And 6,000 people died from intoxication per day in the world.
6,000 people.
In the world.
Okay, 6,000 people. You know, even I think so that this is more effective than coronavirus. People are not dying as much as people are dying by the consuming liquor. Very good. Continue. Very good. Good thoughts. Very good. Clap for him. Clap for him, guys. Please start.
It depresses our central nervous system so that its mood and ability and physical mental noticeably changed.
Okay.
It's all about my intoxication.
वेरी गुड गाइस. पुट योर हैंड्स टुगेदर फॉर हिम. सो गाइस देखिए, सुनिए मेरी बात ध्यान से सुनिए. अभी आप थोड़ा बहुत गलती कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. गलतियां आपकी धीरे धीरे सुधर जाएंगी. कोशिश करना स्टार्ट करिए. मैं ये जानता हूँ कि कोशिश करने वालों कभी और बिना कार्य करे जय जयकार नहीं होती. जब तक आप कोशिश नहीं करोगे गाइस, नहीं हो सकता. आपके कोशिश करने से ही है. मैं यहाँ पर अगर जादूगर होता, मतलब जादूगर जादूगर जादूगर, ठीक है, मतलब एक ऐसा छू मंतर काली के अंदर छू बन जाओ अंग्रेज। अगर मैं ऐसा होता तो यहाँ पे पूरा इंडिया का आदमी यहाँ पे आ रहा होता, भैया मंत्र लेने जाना रवि सर से। बस मंत्र गाइस यही है कि आपको बोलना है, ठीक है, आपको बोलना है, चाहे थोड़ा बहुत बोलना है, लेकिन बोलना बहुत ज़्यादा
Shantanu, put
ज़रूरी
your hands
है।
together for Shantanu, guys.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, everyone. First of all, I would like to give gratitude to Mr. Rabesa who has given me this opportunity. I want to say something about intoxications. Many types of intoxication available in market, like drugs, alcohol, tobacco, many more. I want to say something about drugs. Are you using drugs? Many more. You are in the habit of drugs, but you are next day you not take drugs. You are not You are not feeling properly.
Okay, मतलब he is saying that when you are addicted to take drugs, then you will next day you need drugs. Very good. Yes.
You are not your body move not properly,
Okay.
and next day you have to die.
Okay.
You see, that's why you have not take drugs.
You should not take.
You should not take drugs.
Okay.
As we all know that you know that you are watch a movie. A movie name is Sanjay Dutt's films is Sanju.
Okay.
He's take drugs.
He used to take drugs.
He used to take drugs many more, and he
become addicted.
he become addicted, and he is in the habit of
He
was in the habit of intoxications.
Okay.
But next day he was not take drugs. Then his body is not.
His body was not working. Was not working properly.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Then he is go in coma.
He went in coma.
Yes,
चला
sir.
गया। कोई स्टोरी बता दो, आप सेकंड फॉर्म बताएंगे। Okay.
It's all about my story.
Okay guys, so put your hands together for Shantanu. वो आप लोगों ने गाना सुना होगा, छोटा पैकेट बड़ा धमाका, ठीक है। तो गाइज इनकी हाइट में मत जाना, मैं बता रहा हूँ, ये बहुत अच्छे सिंगर भी हैं और डांसर भी है ना आप?
यस सर।
डांसर हैं ये, बहुत अच्छा डांस करते हैं, 3 पैक पे डांस करते हैं ये। और आज इनका टॉपिक है इंटॉक्सिकेशन पे। सो गाइज यूट्यूब रूटीन लाइफ बोलना चाहोगे आप अपना? तो गाइज इनका ये कितने दिन आपको आए हुए यहाँ पे हुए हैं अभी?
सर
7 डेज़ हुए हैं इनको आए हुए अभी, ठीक है। तो ये अभी टॉपिक पे तो नहीं बोलेंगे, लेकिन ये अपना डेली रूटीन बताएंगे। और गाइज यूट्यूब फैमिली, पता नहीं आप लोग वीडियो शेयर नहीं कर रहे हो, हमारे सब्सक्राइबर बढ़ ही नहीं रहे हैं। मैं सोच रहा हूँ 500 सब्सक्राइबर होते हैं तो वैसे ही हम एक छोटी सी फंक्शन करेंगे, लेकिन आप करवाना नहीं चाहते हैं कि हमारे 500 सब्सक्राइबर हो जाएँ। आप बोल दो, शायद आपके बोलने से हो जाए, कहना सब्सक्राइब कर लो चैनल।
सब्सक्राइब ऑन चैनल।
हाँ, सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल, ये बोलो।
सब्सक्राइब ऑन चैनल।
ओके, सो यू वांट टू स्पीक अबाउट योर डेली रूटीन लाइफ, प्लीज स्पीक।
हेलो गाइस।
हेलो।
माय नेम इज अंचल सिंह।
ओके।
I wanna share my daily routine life.
ओके।
First of all, I get up early in the morning and drink 1 glass of water. Then I go to washroom and get fresh. After that, I slash my face and get ready for my school.
मैं इनसे बात करना चाहता हूँ। What is your name?
अंचल सिंह।
अंचल सिंह। In which class are you studying?
फर्स्ट
क्लास। अभी ये फर्स्ट क्लास में पढ़ रहे हैं, ठीक है। तो आपको इंग्लिश बोलनी है।
यस सर।
क्या करोगे इंग्लिश बोल के आप? दोस्त बनाओगे?
नो सर।
हाँ,
इंग्लिश बोलेंगे।
इंग्लिश बोलोगे। आप भी विदेश जाओगे?
नो सर।
विदेश नहीं जाओगे, ठीक है। डू यू गेट अप अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग?
आई गेट अप इन द मॉर्निंग।
अरे वाह, ये तो आंसर भी कर लेते हैं। डू यू कंज्यूम लिकर?
आई डोंट कंज्यूम लिकर।
अरे ये तो 100 लोग बता रहे हैं। 7 डेज में इतना इम्प्रूव कर लिया तुमने। पहले बोलते थे इंग्लिश क्या? पहले किसके साथ बोलते हो इंग्लिश?
अपने भाई से कॉपी लेके थोड़ा बहुत लर्न करके बोलते थे।
अच्छा, वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा। मतलब सीखनी है, और मैं तुम्हें सिखा दूंगा पक्का। तुम ऐसी अगर तुम्हारे अंदर जोश होगा तो सिखा दूंगा, ठीक है। अच्छा, मैं डिट से क्वेश्चन करूँ तो डिट से आंसर कर सकते हो तुम?
यस सर।
कर सकते हो?
यस सर।
डिड यू टेक टी यस्टरडे?
डिड यू टेक टी यस्टरडे?
यस।
आई टुक टी
स्टडी।
Study.
अच्छा, आई टुक टी क्यों किया आपने इसमें?
आई टुक टी क्योंकि सेकंड फॉर्म लगेगी तो फिर उनका झगड़ा हो जाएगा।
अच्छा, मतलब झगड़ा हो जाएगा है। तो मतलब आंसर करेंगे तो आप आई टुक टी करेंगे, मतलब सेकंड फॉर्म आंसर
Yes,
करेंगे। सो गाइस, इनके लिए क्लैप कर दीजिए। क्या नाम है आपका?
अंचल सिंह।
अंचल के लिए प्लीज क्लैप कर दीजिए। अंचल प्लीज सेट फॉर नैना।
Good evening, sir. Good evening, everyone. My name is Naina. My father name is Mr. Ajay Kumar Singh. I put up at Bholepur in Fatehgarh. There are many kind of interaction like cigarette, gudka, smoking, drugs, and consume liquor. I wanna topic my smoking. Smoking our harmful our health.
So guys, thank you for watching our channel. Thank you so much guys. Please